Have you ever wondered how to protect your retirement savings from the unpredictability of the stock market? With inflation on the rise and economic uncertainty looming, more and more people are turning to gold IRAs to safeguard their nest eggs. Today, we're diving into how a gold IRA can be the secret weapon to securing your multi-asset portfolio in times of crisis. But first, let's face a reality. Traditional retirement accounts, like 401ks and IRAs, may not be enough to shield you from what's coming. You've worked hard to build your retirement, but the markets are volatile, inflation is hitting new highs, and interest rates are making it more difficult to grow your wealth. The question is, what's the best way to protect your hard-earned assets? Here's where a gold IRA comes in. Gold is a time-tested hedge against inflation, and it's been used by investors for centuries to preserve wealth. But how does it fit into a multi-asset portfolio? And why should retirees like you consider rolling over part of their traditional IRA or 401k into a gold IRA? Let me tell you about Sarah, a retired school teacher from Wisconsin. Sarah had $520,000 in her 401k, which she had diligently saved over the years. However, after watching the news about the latest banking crises and the devaluation of the dollar, she felt uncertain about her future. So, she took the leap. She rolled over a portion of her savings into a gold IRA. The result? Now Sarah's retirement is backed by the stability of gold, not just stocks and bonds. It gives her peace of mind knowing that no matter what happens in the market, her gold is a safe, tangible asset that isn't tied to the volatility of paper assets. This isn't just about buying gold. It's about securing her future. But why gold? Here's the thing. Gold has consistently outperformed other forms of investment during periods of economic uncertainty. When stock markets crash, when inflation rises, gold tends to rise in value. By diversifying into gold, you're reducing your exposure to the volatility of traditional assets like stocks and bonds, which can be unpredictable, especially during a recession. So how does a gold IRA fit into your multi-asset portfolio? First, it gives you a non-correlated asset. Stocks and bonds move in relation to one another. When one goes up, the other often follows. But gold moves independently of these. This makes it an ideal asset to protect against market volatility. Second, gold has intrinsic value. Unlike currencies or stocks, which are dependent on markets or companies, gold has held value for thousands of years. It's a store of wealth, and it doesn't rely on a corporation or government to back it. And finally, when it comes to your retirement, a gold IRA offers tax advantages similar to a traditional IRA or 401k. You won't pay taxes until you withdraw the funds, allowing your investments to grow tax deferred. Sarah's gold IRA gives her more than just protection. It adds diversity. But it's not just about having gold. It's about how you use it to create a balanced portfolio that thrives in any economic climate. With inflation on the rise and market turbulence ahead, this is a smart, strategic move for any retiree. Now you might be wondering, how can you get started with a gold IRA? The process is easier than you think. And the best part is there's no obligation. If you have $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, you qualify for a free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation educational call. There's no pressure to make a decision, just one-on-one education with a specialist who can walk you through the process and help you figure out if it's the right move for you. After all, you've worked hard to build your retirement, and you deserve to protect it. Don't wait until it's too late. Take the first step today. Get your free guide and learn how to roll over part of your retirement into a gold IRA. Protect your future and secure your legacy for the next generation. Remember, you're not alone in this. Take action now and start securing your retirement with gold.